There you go. Happy salad dressing day to you. I need a break. It's a workout. Okay, I need a minute. Hi, I'm Christine Avanti Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make a simple cilantro lime vinaigrette. I use a little bit of white wine vinegar, some scallions, some cilantro, and of course, a little bit of lime. You're going to love it. For my cilantro lime vinaigrette, I like having a pretty jar on hand because, of course, I want this to look nice. I like using a metallic bowl and a wire whisk. If you don't have that, you can use any kind of bowl and whisk. All your ingredients, the cilantro, the lime, the white part of a scallion, avocado oil. You can also use olive oil if you want. There's white wine vinegar. I love that. A little bit of honey, a little bit of Dijon mustard, some lime juice, and we're good to go. So this takes literally 1 minute to make. You're gonna love it. Okay, so the first step for the cilantro lime vinaigrette, I am going to cut up the white parts of the scallion. So you just wanna give it just a really thin slice. You can also use a mandolin. And if you don't have a scallion, you can mince up some shallot. Shallot is very good in a dressing. This is just what I had on hand when I was developing this recipe the other day, so I went with it. Just gonna give the whites of the scallion a little rough chop, okay? So that is ready. Oh, it smells good. Now I'm just gonna give a little rough chop to the cilantro. You don't have to, you can just pull it apart. I like to use cilantro in this recipe. Oh, it smells so good. And then I'll set that aside, and then we are ready to whisk the dressing. The first step for the cilantro lime vinaigrette is you want to make sure you put in the acid. And in this case, we're doing white wine vinegar. I love white wine vinegar, wow. And then we're doing a little bit of lime juice. Then you want to put in, I've got some Dijon mustard, so that goes in. And you can add more Dijon if you like it, a little bit more tangy. I might actually do that in the end. Then you want to put the sweetener. I've got a little bit of honey here. And then I just like to take these ingredients before the oil goes in and just give it a nice whisk. Make sure that they're all blended together. Got a nice lime and honey smell. Okay, great. You can obviously do all of this in a blender, but I feel like it's so much work to take the blender out, so I just want to do it all in a bowl. So the next step is to take your oil, and as you're whisking, just slowly drizzle in. And whisk as fast as you can to get it emulsified into the acid mixture. I need a break. It's a workout. Okay, I need a minute. Okay. All right, and then just keep going. If you need to take a break, take a break. Okay, it's killing my arm. It's really exhausting, so I'm gonna enlist the help of the younger generation. We have Georgia Vella here. Hello, Georgia.
I mix and you pour?
You want to whisk while I pour? Yeah. There we go. I was going to have you do the whole thing. That'll be later.
Well, I
okay.
can do that too.
Whisk while I pour. Here we go. She's got muscles. You can kind of feel it getting thicker, right?
Yeah, very.
Yeah. Come on, girl. Use those muscles. It's tiring, isn't it? And when you whisk, make sure you get around the entire bowl. All right, we're almost there. This is great. Can you come over more often when I need a whisk dressing?
Anytime.
Okay, there you go.
It smells so good.
Right? Okay, good. All right, look at this. Okay, once you've totally combined the oil into all the other ingredients, you just slowly, easily add in the scallions, the white parts of the scallion. Just give that a little mix. And then, yummy yum, the cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you can use parsley. You can leave it out completely. It's up to you. I like it. Okay. And then last but not least, salt and pepper to taste. I use about 1 teaspoon of salt and about a teaspoon of pepper. All right, and just give it a final whisk. Ooh, it looks good. So most important is the presentation of your vinaigrette, and I am funny about these things. So of course I have a pretty jar, and of course I have a funnel because I don't go anywhere without a funnel, all right? So I'm always funneling something into something. Okay, so there you go. You just pour it in. Look at that beauty. It's getting a little clogged from the cilantro, but that's okay. We'll just give it a little, don't get it in your hair like me. Okay. I added quite a bit of pepper, so it's a little peppery, but that's how we like it here. And look at that. Your beautiful cilantro lime vinaigrette. Enjoy. I hope you like it. So make sure you hit the like button, you share, and you save, and leave me a comment. There you go. Happy salad dressing day to you.